Hi car enthusiasts! This is the Engine Fixer, your go-to channel for all things car repair and maintenance. Join us as we explore practical tips and tricks to keep your vehicle running safely and smoothly. In today's video, we're going to break down the P0420 trouble code, what it means, what causes it, and how you can fix it. What P0420 means. The P0420 code stands for Catalyst System Efficiency Below Threshold Bank 1. In simple terms, this means your catalytic converter isn't working as efficiently as it should. Normally, here's what happens. The upstream oxygen sensor, before the catalytic converter, should fluctuate between about 0.3 volts and 0.8 volts as the engine runs. The downstream oxygen sensor, after the catalytic converter, should stay more stable, without a lot of fluctuation. That stability shows the catalytic converter is doing its job, cleaning up harmful emissions. But if the downstream sensor starts mimicking the upstream sensor with the same kind of fluctuation, the ECM engine control module detects that the catalytic converter isn't working properly. That's when it triggers the P0420 check engine light. Common causes of P0420. The most common cause is a failing catalytic converter. But there are a few other things that can trigger this code. A bad or weak oxygen sensor, damaged or corroded wiring connectors, an exhaust leak before the catalytic converter, allowing extra oxygen in. In rare cases, an ECM software update may be needed. Now, if the catalytic converter itself is bad, you'll want to ask, why did it fail? Here are some possible reasons. Clogging from engine oil or coolant getting into the exhaust. Running too rich, too much unburnt fuel. Because another issue was ignored, this can overheat and damage the catalytic converter's honeycomb. Physical damage from road impact or debris, possible solutions. Fixing the root cause is always the best option. Here are a few approaches. So to recap, the P0420 code usually points to a catalytic converter issue, but it can also be triggered by oxygen sensors, wiring, exhaust leaks, or even ECM updates. Start with the cheaper fixes first, and only replace the converter if you're sure it's the root cause. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss future DIY repair guides.